I'm Javier. So today for my YouTube channel, I'm gonna teach you how to ride Heelys. So the first step is you're gonna have to put in your wheels if you already know. But whichever hand you ride with, this is the second step, but whatever hand you ride with, you're gonna put that foot in the front. Anyways, as I'm showing, I ride with my right hand, so there I go. I just drive. And usually it takes a lot of time for people that practice. You might fall down a couple of times, but if you keep on trying, you get it for a few seconds, you keep on trying and do not give up, then you actually can ride your Heelys, just like I did. So when I was first starting, I usually grab a wall or railing, but you don't want to put your feet too close to the wall because you might bump it. You keep on pushing yourself. It might be hard, but you just keep on pushing. And then when you actually push, you might stop. But that's you're getting process. So when you keep on actually doing it, you might get better and better, like this. Also, a step I forgot at the first part. Remember, try to keep your balance on 2 feet. Like, you gotta keep your balance so you can ride on both wheels. So it might be hard, but if you keep on practicing, you will succeed. Okay, so actually, whatever hand you ride with, you put that foot up and in front. And whatever hand you don't ride with, you just put that in the back. And then when you put those down, you gotta run and then slide. And let's go. After you get the wall segment down, like when you already know how to do it, you need to find smooth surface that is flat with no rocks, and then where you can run and go. Time riding your Heelys. Have a good day. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.